So now we are applying the shortcut method. In shortcut method, very fast you can find out the measure of central tendency or measures of dispersion. So what you are doing is you are finding out a new variable. After finding out a class mark, you are finding out a new variable. The new variable is ui equal to xi minus a divided by h. And what is this a? A can be anything from this. It is better to take almost the middle value. So we have 10 here. So we can take 15 as a. Then I am calling it as a here. And h usually taken as any number. But here it is easy if you take the number as 3. Because there is a common difference everywhere. 3, 3, 3, 3. So I am just writing one more column for this. ui equal to xi minus 15 divided by 3. You will get the new variables ui's. So what are they? 3 minus 15. What is 3 minus 15? Minus 12. Minus 12 by 3? Minus 4. 6 minus this? Minus 9. Minus 9 by 3? Minus 3. 9 minus? Minus 2. Minus 1. Here it is 0. Here it is 16 minus 15. 3. 3 by 3? 1. Then 2. Then 3. 4. Then 5. Now what you have to do is, after getting these numbers as single digits, it is very easy to square, multiply everything. That is the purpose of bringing this new variable, and we call it as shortcut method. Now if you want to find out the mean of xi's, you don't go for finding out sigma xi by total number of observations. Instead of that, you can find out the mean of ui's. How to find the mean of ui's? ua का formula होगा sigma, mean of ui can denote it by u bar. Okay, it is sigma ui by total number of observations, right? So what is sigma ui? You will add it here. When you add, ये कट हो गया, ये कट हो गया, ये कट हो गया, ये कट हो गया, means कट हो गया means summation is 0. Final answer is 5. Very fast you are doing the addition. So here you are getting this 5 divided by total number of observations. There are 10. So the answer is 1 by 2. But this is the mean of new variables. But you have to find out mean of xi's. How will you go back to x bar? The mean of xi's. X bar is, formula is, what procedure you have done, the reverse one you will do. How will you get xi from ui? Xi is hui plus a. Right? Xi minus a equal to h ui. So xi equal to a plus hui. X bar will be similarly a plus hu bar. And what is your a? 15. Plus what is your h? 3. What is u bar? 1 by 2. That means 15 plus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.5, right? 1.5. And it is 16.5. Yesterday we got the answer 16.5 as u bar. Okay, so if the question is only find the mean by using shortcut method, you can do this. Now, if your question is find the standard deviation. The standard deviation, sigma u. How will you find out sigma u? Because we have new variable, right? Sigma u का formula क्या आएगा? This formula 1 by n sigma ui square minus u bar square. Minus u bar square. Formula by heart करना है. U bar square. ठीक है, u bar square. ये हमको फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? ui square चाहिए. So what should be the next column? ui square. That also is find the squares. 4 minus 4 का square 16. 0, 9, 0, 4, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 4, 0, 9, 16, 25. What you do? You add it. 30. इधर तक 30 आ गया. 30 plus 30 60. 60 plus 25 85. So I am just substituting the value here. 1 by n, that means 1 by 10 into sigma ui square, summation of all ui square. It is 8 to 85 minus u bar square. U bar was 1 by 2. 1 by 2 का square है 1 by 4. Okay? Please calculate. Please calculate this. ये इतना ज़्यादा कैलकुलेशन करना नहीं है. What I am doing is I am making it as 100. This also is 100. इसी कैलकुलेशन क्या आएगा? 850. I am taking 100 because 100 is very easy to find the square root under. So this इसको 100 बनाने के लिए मैं 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. 850 minus ये 4 पर 25 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. So I am getting root of 825 by root 100 is 10. Okay, मैंने ऐसा रख दिया. Don't find out root 82500. But this is not our question. Our question is sigma x. हम नया वेरिएबल का स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन फाइंड आउट किया है. This is not required. Don't do the full calculation. You have to find out sigma x. And what is the formula for sigma x is sigma x equal to h into sigma u. What you do is sigma x equal to h into sigma u because ui find out करने के लिए हम h से divide किया, here h से multiply किया, and there is no rod of a. That means the standard deviation is independent of this a. ये कुछ भी ले लो, हम ये इधर 25 50 लिया, अगर तुम ये 60 लिया, तुम 20 लिया, there is no difference. It is not affecting the standard deviation, but it only depends on by which number you are dividing. Okay, so this is a formula. This is very important. You can immediately find out sigma x. So what is sigma x for standard deviation? What was our h? H was not 3. So your final answer is 3 into root of 825 by 10. Okay? How much it is? You have to find out. 3 by 10 is 0.3 into 825 ka square root. From here, you will make from right to left. You will make group of 2. Then the perfect square, the greatest perfect square less than 8. You will find out what is the greatest perfect square less than 8. 4. 4 ka square root. Okay? It is 2. Here also 2. 2 into 2, 4. Subtract 4. Then bring down the next group. 2 नहीं है पूरा group को 425. What is the next here? 4. इसका डबल लिखना है 4. फिर एक डिजिट इधर और इधर same digit you have to put so that it will be filled up here. 5 लेना तो क्या आएगा? 5 into 45. How much is coming? 285. So it is 9. 8, 9. ये दोनों 8 आकर देखती हूँ. So 28 here आएगा 48. So 8 into 48, right? 8 इधर है तो 8. Then you multiply and see. 8 8 are 64. 384 आया. एक बार ट्राई करो 9 भी डालकर. 449 आएगा. 441 आएगा. इसमें बोला वो 9 में 9 and 49. 49 into 9 81. 441. ये नहीं होगा तब. Right? So it will be 8. 8 8. इसमें क्या आया? 384. 41. और जो भी हो 28 point something मिलेगा. 0.3 into 28 point something, that will be your final answer. Okay? This is easier way of doing it. Now the most important formula is this. You can expect one question from here. Sigma x equal to h into sigma u. Then what will be sigma square x? Please write down this. Find mean, standard deviation and variance of. The question here is find mean, standard deviation and variance of.